Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to check full product name of your HP OmniBook X. So firstly, of course, you should unlock your device. So I will show you different ways, okay? So the first is mainly to go to settings, system, scroll down, and here you will see device name and some additional information. If you want to know here will see what it will be if you need that information, so you can find it here. Here you will see your full, as you can see, 14FE0XZ name, but of course some information to find. Sometimes someone can change the real name by scripts or something. But how to check real name to do that laptop, and now I can show you exactly how to do that. So you should fully disable the device. Oh, so sorry. You should fully disable your device and then open Startup menu. To do that, we should wait till it will be completely disabled and then press power button and constantly press escape button. Here you will see this menu. This is the startup menu, and here just click system information. So click F1, and here you will see product name. So here you will see a real product name from BIOS. So from UFI, okay, from UFI. And cool, and here you will see even product number, your system board ID, and all ID information of your device, even the build ID. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video and bye. See you.